Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Housing Development and Infrastructure Limited. HDIL is the ticker name, and right now you are watching the monthly technical chart of HDIL, and this is the historical price chart, and these are all the technical indicators that I deployed on the stock for technical analysis, and these are all the graphs generated by these technical indicators. Regarding data for technical analysis, we have data for HDL since 2009 onwards up to 2017 November 16th. Okay, if you look at the historical price path pattern, you can see that HDIL has already crossed, has already reached its peak price, and in 2009 itself, and that time it was its peak price was it was trading at 402 rupees, and today the stock was trading at 58 rupees 55 paise. So what happened after it reached its peak price? The stock went down, it crashed down actually. It reached its bottom, and after that it came under the influence of a negative super trend mode, and that trend has been there up to April 2014, and after April 2014 it came under the influence of positive super trend mode, but still things haven't brightened up, and even right now the stock is yet to cross its 20 and 50-day moving averages. That's a very pity, and though it has been in the market for this many years, actually the stock couldn't do much. Couldn't show much better performance. Anyway, the point is, the only point that I'm seeing right now is the stock is right now under the influence of positive support trend mode. So why we are discussing about the stock at this moment? Okay, the reason for discussing about the stock is recently in this particular month, the last November 2017, the last 15 days, the stock started showing. Showing up. It started making profits. It started showing some sort of positive development in its price rise. So that is the reason we are right now doing the technical analysis for HDL to check whether this whatever rise that we are seeing here can be extended. Will it go for extend for the next coming few days or months or years? That's what we are. The objective is to check whether this kind of thing is possible or not. Actually, that sort of strength, momentum, direction strength is there in this particular stock or not, when it comes to the long-term investment. That is the objective of this video. Now, if you look at the RSI relative strength, it is quite down. Direction strength is also down. Stochastics is also down. Volume actually is coming down. That's what I'm keeping the crosshairs here, so that you can clearly see. Actually, it is making a parallel line to the baseline, zero line. If you look at the momentum is momentum has already crashed down. It is right now negative momentum, showing negative momentum. If you look at the balance of power, it is in a bearish phase, and elder ray is indicator is supporting whatever balance of power is showing right now. But why? But in how it has come, how it has, though you are seeing right now all the indicators are throwing negative signals, but how come this particular stock is faring recently in the last 15 days? It has shown some positive development in its price. How it was possible? Yeah, the answer lies here. You can clearly see that in August 2017, this particular stock had been under the bearish phase, and slowly the bearishness is coming down. If you clearly see the histograms, the redness indicates the bearish phase, and the histograms are below the baseline. And now slowly the size of the histogram is coming down, even the redness is coming down. Actually, the green color is the bullish phase, and this is the month. This is in November 2017. The bearish phase is almost is getting diluted with the bullish phase. So this small positive change, whatever you are seeing, the size of the histogram bar, which is getting reduced, the intensity is coming down. So this reduction of the intensity got converted into the price there, and that's how it has come into the small. It started appearing in the profitable small caps. So that is the reason why this HDL had been showing in the top 10 small cap profitable stocks. But other than that, if you look the same stock from the long term perspective, At this moment, we are not seeing any signals that will help the stock to gain much price. I mean to gain to improve its price performance in the next coming future days. So we will come back to the stock later after a few days. But until then, the stock cannot be considered for long-term investment. You can do short-term trading, but cannot be. I mean, as per my analysis, the stock cannot be considered for long-term investment at this moment. Okay, okay, guys. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.